हाय एस्पिरेंट्स। तो इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियोस आप सभी ने नोटिस किया होगा दैट मैंने बहुत ही ब्रॉडली डिस्कस किया है अबाउट द कैट 24 एग्जाम, द एग्जाम पैटर्न, its eligibility criteria, the score in percentile, its complete syllabus, the selection process that top B schools use for your final selection, each and everything in detail that you need to know about the CAT 2024 exam. But today in this video मैं एक बहुत ही कॉमन क्वेश्चन आप सभी एस्पिरेंट्स का आंसर करने वाली हूँ. The question is where to start preparing for CAT 2024. इस वीडियो में I will be explaining you how iQuanta prepares you for your CAT 2024 and what makes iQuanta different. Make sure आप ये वीडियो end तक देखें because this video contains such crucial information for you जो I don't think आपको miss out करना चाहिए. Before I let you know the whole process that iQuanta uses to prepare its students, सबसे पहले हम ये चीज देखते हैं what makes iQuanta different from everyone else. 4 चीजें हैं. नंबर 1, its unique way of teaching. iQuanta बिलीव करता है that students को हम सिर्फ concept learning के थ्रू आगे नहीं बढ़ाएंगे. They need to practice ample number of CAT level questions as well. And hence हम बहुत ही unique way of teaching में indulge होते हैं with students, where we provide you classes based on dual pedagogy. Dual pedagogy में students get 2 kinds of classes. The live streaming classes and live application based classes. That means जहाँ पे आप live streaming classes के थ्रू अपने concepts basic से cover करते हो, on a live application based classes you practice ample number of basic to CAT level questions so that आप already aware रहे with regards to the CAT pattern and the CAT level of questions जो आप देखोगे अपने एग्जाम में. Next, it's 24/7 doubt solving support. It would be very hard for me to believe कि आज भी ऐसे institutes हैं जो आपको 24/7 doubt solving देते होंगे because they don't. But iQuanta is very much firm with its decision to provide 24/7 doubt solving support to students. The whole team of iQuanta, the faculties of iQuanta, the moderators, the members, everyone at iQuanta makes sure कि once a student puts up their doubt, it gets catered within 10 to 15 minutes with the exact solution that they need. And this is not something that I am saying. All of our past students who have converted their Dream B schools, who were part of iQuanta, definitely agree to this. Next up, it's our CAT preparation group. iQuanta has India's largest CAT preparation group with around 3.5 lakh aspirants all over India. This preparation group is meant for all those aspirants who are trying to seek help with regards to their management entrances, all the kinds of help that they need to know about these exams, their preparation strategy and everything. iQuanta is there for you and hence ये ग्रुप के लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में शेयर कर दूंगी. एडवाइजेबल है if you want to ace your CAT and convert your dream B school, join this group as soon as possible. And finally, it's peer-to-peer learning that iQuanta engages among students. Yes, we do believe कि आपकी preparation should be top notch and वो हम हमेशा priority पे रखेंगे. But again, so that you get used to with the competitive environment and you get involved with all of your peers, ये चीज़ आपकी काफ़ी help करती है in your MBA journey as well. And hence, iQuanta provides you with regular peer-to-peer learning that engages competitiveness among you and you get used to with a competitive environment. तो ये कुछ points थे which makes iQuanta different from everyone else for your preparation. Let us dive into the whole process कि हम कैसे आपकी basic से लेके to an advanced level आपकी पूरी preparation कराते हैं for CAT 2024 with the following months. With around 1.5 years left for your CAT 2024, let us see the whole process, the whole phases of your preparation which iQuanta would be providing to you in your CAT preparation journey. The whole of CAT 2024 course is divided into 3 phases. अभी से लेके till your CAT 2024 ये सारे ही phases में आप क्या क्या cover करोगे हम ये एक एक करके डिटेल में देखते हैं. For phase 1 that starts right now, the moment you enroll, it starts automatically. जहाँ पे हम आपको access देते हैं of around 100+ quants conceptual videos, जिनके थ्रू आप अपनी concept learning start कर सकते हो. And with following months, आपको also access मिलता है of the live conceptual as well as the live application based classes. This goes on till December 2023. So that आप अपनी concept learning बहुत हद तक कर चुके होते हो and you have also practiced good number of questions so that आपको idea हो जाए what CAT exam is all about. So this was phase 1. The moment you enroll, अभी से लेके till December 2023, your phase 1 would continue and you would be clearing out many basics of certain topics and you would be practicing questions around the same. Now your phase 2 starts from January 2024, जहाँ पे हम आपकी सारी ही classes एकदम basic से start कर देते हैं. यहाँ पे you will also get access to all the assignments so that not just with your concept learning, you are also solving ample number of questions under a time limit ताकि आपको एक fair idea हो जाए that how do you need to practice questions under a certain time limit, and hence you will get access. आपके लिए सारे ही facilities unlocked हो जाएंगी, the live conceptual classes, the live application based classes, the topic wise assignments so that you are very much frequent with your concept learning and your questions practice. Again, iQuanta makes sure that with every material that we provide to you, whether it's in form of assignments or it's in form of application-based classes, every question is completely CAT relevant, and hence you already get a fair idea on how is the level of CAT level questions before your CAT exam. From January 2024 till May 2024, we make sure कि within these 5 months आपका पूरा syllabus completely cover हो जाए, and that's phase 2 for you all. Finally, आपका phase 3 start होता है, that will be starting from July 2024. Again, यहाँ पे आपके लिए iCAT mocks unlock हो जाते हैं. Now, iCAT mock is the first mock in India जो आपको AI based analysis देता है. You get excellent mock analysis via iCAT mocks. Again, यहाँ पे आपको ample number of full length and sectional mocks available हो जाते हैं. This is finally the time जहाँ पे आप अपना preparation cross check करते हो whether how much you are on track and how much more you need to prepare. September end तक आपका ये पूरा ही mock वाला phase चलता है. And not just mocks, we do provide you with some sessions जहाँ पे हम आपको ample number of questions भी practice करवाते हैं. From October 2024, you will be starting off with your crash course जहाँ पे हम आपके पूरे syllabus की rigorous revision करेंगे from the very scratch. And in this crash course, we also make sure that with the live sessions, you do get some shortcuts and some tricks for all the 3 sections so that you can ace your CAT better. Mega marathons, LRDI series, RC videos, there are so many other things जिनका access आपको मिलता है in this crash course, and hence it's one of the crucial part of the whole course as आपकी पूरी syllabus rigorously revise होती है, and we make sure कि इतने months की आपकी पूरी hard work is definitely yielded into something. Finally, by November 2024, we rely on your practice more, and again आपकी doubt solving की frequency would increase a lot, आपके practice sessions की frequency would increase a lot. We will be making sure कि आप ample number of questions practice करो under a time limit so that you do realize कि under a certain time frame how accurately you need to attend these questions. You will be acing your CAT very well enough with iQuanta. So this was the course structure with regards to CAT 2024 as to in what phases and in what steps हम आपका पूरा syllabus cover करते हैं. For detailed course structure of CAT 2024, you can check out this playlist. And you can also visit our website iQuanta.in. And if you wish to talk to one of our counselors in order to get a detailed knowledge about our course and our study pattern, you can definitely call on this number. For more such informative videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, ace your CAT and convert your dream B school with iQuanta. All the very best and see you soon.